Assalamu alaikum. We will learn English alphabet A to Z. This alphabet is called A. Capital A is small a. A for apple. Apple means save. This alphabet is called B. Capital B small b. B for balloon. Balloon means gubbare. This alphabet is called C. Capital C small c. C for cat. Cat means billy. This alphabet is called D. Capital D small d. D for dog. Dog means kutta. This alphabet is called E. Capital E small e. E for eagle. Eagle means Shaheen. This alphabet is called F. Capital F small f. F for fish. Fish means machli. This alphabet is called G. Capital G small g. G for gate. Gate means darwaza. This alphabet is called H. Capital H small h. H for horse. Horse means ghoda. This alphabet is called I. Capital I small I. I for ink. Ink means siyahi. This alphabet is called J. Capital J small j. J for jug. Jug means jug. This alphabet is called K. Capital K small k. K for key. Key means chabi. This alphabet is called L. Capital L small l. L for lion. Lion means share. This alphabet is called M. Capital M small m. M for mango. Mango means aam. This alphabet is called N. Capital N small n. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. This alphabet is called O. Capital O small o. O for orange. Orange means naranji. This alphabet is called P. Capital P small p. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. This alphabet is called Q. Capital Q small q. Q for coin. Coin means malka. This alphabet is called R. Capital R small r. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. This alphabet is called S. Capital S small s. S for snack. Snack means saap. This alphabet is called T. Capital T small t. T for tree. Tree means darakht. This alphabet is called U. Capital U, small u. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. This alphabet is called V. Capital V, small v. V for van. Van means gaadi. This alphabet is called W. Capital W, small w. W for water. Water means pani. This alphabet is called X. Capital X, small x. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. This alphabet is called Y. Capital Y, small y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means yo-yo. This alphabet is called Z. Capital Z, small z. Z for zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे हुर्फ़े तहजी अलिफ से ये तक. से अंगूर. बे से बकरी. पे से पेंसिल. ते से तितली. टे से टमाटर. से समर. जीम से जूता. चे से चिड़िया. हे से हलवा. खे से खरगोश. दाल से दरख्त. डाल से डब्बा. जाल से ज़ख़ीरा. रे से रेल. रे से पहाड़. जे से ज़राफ़ा. ये से जलाबारी. प्यारे बच्चों, अगर आप सीन से सेब. शीन से शेर. स्वाद से सोफा. द्वाद से ज़ईफ. ज़ोए से तोता. ज़ोए से ज़ुरूफ. ऐन से ऐनक. गैन से गुब्बारा. फे से फून. कौफ से कैंची. काफ से कौआ. घाफ से घोड़ा. लाम से लट्टू. मीम से मोर. नून से नाक. वाव से वर्क. हे से हाथी. छोटिए बड़िए से यक्का. पोटैटो. POTATO. पोटैटो. टोमेटो. TOMATO. टोमेटो. कैरट. CARROT. कैरट. chili, chilli, chili. Onion, onion. Brinjal, brinjal, brinjal. Cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. Corn, corn. If you like my videos, then like, share, subscribe my channel. One, one. Two, two. Three, three. Four, four. Five, five. Six, six. Seven, seven. Eight, eight. Nine, nine. 10, ten. 11, 11. 12, twelve. 13, thirteen. 14, fourteen. 15, fifteen. 16, sixteen. 17, seventeen. 18, eighteen. 19, nineteen. 20, twenty. 21, twenty. 21. 22, two. 22. 23, three. 23. 24, four. 24. 25, five. 25. A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, A for arrow. B for butterfly, B for bat, B for ball, B for bag. C for cat, C for car, C for cook, C for cartoon. D for dog, D for doll, D for duck, D for dolphin. E for elephant, E for egg, E for ice, E for eagle. F for fish, F for flower, F for frog, F for football. G for grasshopper, G for gate, G for glass, G for guard. H for hen, H for horse, H for house, H for hockey. I for ice cream, I for island, I for invitation card, I for insect. J for jug, J for juice, J for jacket, J for jelly. K for key, K for king, K for knife, K for kid. L for lion, L for lemon, L for lizard, L for lamp. M for moon, M for monkey, M for mug, M for melon. N for nurse, N for nose, N for nails, N for noodles. O for orange, O for onion, O for owl, O for oval. P for parrot, P for pen, P for pin, P for peacock. Q for queen, Q for cushion, Q for quiz, Q for quit. R for rabbit, R for rose, R for rocket, R for rain. S for snack, S for star, S for soup, S for shoes. T for toy, T for telephone, T for tiger, T for tools. U for umbrella, U for uncle, U for units, U for uniform. V for van, V for volcano, V for vegetable, V for Vespa. W for watch, W for water, W for window, W for watermelon. X for xylophone, X for Xmas. Y for yellow, Y for yummy, Y for yoga, Y for yogurt. Z for zip, Z for zoo, Z for zebra, Z for zinger burger. Apple, APPLE, apple. Banana, BANANA, banana. Grapes, GRAPES, grapes. Orange, ORANGE, orange. Kiwi, KIWI, kiwi. Pineapple, PINEAPPLE, pineapple. Watermelon, WATERMELON, watermelon. Melon, MELON, melon. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Gauva, guava. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. If you like my videos, then like, share, subscribe my channel.